Sarura Kids.
Hi girls.
Hi.
Do you know what we're doing today?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Experiment.
Yes, with rainbows.
Yay!
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 So Mummy's made 2 rainbows and a 3rd one for your little friend. So we've got 1 rainbow. Who's getting this rainbow?
Me.
That's it first. We've got another rainbow. There we go. And we've got a tiny rainbow for a little bunny friend who's disappeared. Where did your bunny go? Oh, there she is. And we've got a little rainbow for a little bunny. There we go. So little bunny's also going to have a little rainbow.
Bring it to me.
Now, what we're going to learn today is the different colours of the rainbow.
That's not fun.
Can anyone tell me what colours they're looking at?
This is it.
The really small one?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me what colours you're looking at? What colours are in your rainbows? What's this first colour?
Red.
Red, well done, look. That's the colour red. What's this colour?
Orange.
Orange. That's orange. And this colour? Not yet. What's this colour?
Yellow.
Yellow, well done. And what comes after the yellow colour?
Green.
Green. And now somebody should know this. What's this colour?
Blue.
What's this colour?
Blue.
Blue. You don't look convinced. That's blue. Now Mummy couldn't find any indigo, so we've used a very light, not very blue. So that should be indigo. And the last small colour, which looks a bit like purple, is called violet.
Yeah.
Yes, that's blue over there. Is that blue?
What's this?
This is supposed to be indigo, but Mummy can't find any indigo, so we use that as our indigo. And now, what we're going to do, who's good at gluing?
Me.
Yay! Mummy's going to bring some glue, and I'm going to put glue. I'll show you a colour, and you tell me what colour looks the same. Let's have a look at your rainbow. And Mummy's going to bring some glue. Alright, now who's ready for the first colour?
Me.
Now, what colour is this?
Red.
Red. So can you show me where red is on your rainbow?
There.
Show Mummy where red is on the rainbow.
There.
On the rainbow, on your rainbow, which one is red? That one is red. Right, so you can put the other one there. So we've got some reds. Now, let's see what the next colour is. Right, so we've got the next colour. What colour is this?
Blue.
Yay, that's the colour blue. Who can show me blue on their paper?
Blue.
Yes, well done. Which one is blue on your paper? Yes, that is blue. Where's blue on your rainbow?
Blue.
Where's blue on your rainbow?
Blue.
Yes, well done. Good job. Now, let's see. Let's put some blue glue on your blue.
Blue.
And I'll put some glue over here.
Look at me red.
So stick your blues onto the glue here. So we've got purple. And which colour is purple?
That one.
Yes, well done. The colour purple doesn't need too many, so I'm going to put one in the middle. I think one should do it.
Yeah.
So you can choose which one you'd like.
This one. And this.
And you can plop that into the middle.
There.
Well done, that's wonderful. So we've got purple on our rainbow. Well done, sweetie. And we've got some green pom-poms. So we're going to put some green on.
This one.
Okay, I'll put some over here. Just in between the spaces. You back with us? We're on green now, so you can come and do some green. Come stick it onto the green.
Sticky.
Yes.
Very sticky.
It is very sticky. So put the green. Put these green ones there. So you have to stick it and leave it. So you just pop it onto the paper. Like that. And you can use a green one on there as well. There, Mummy's plopped that one over there. Yes, we're going to do, I think, 2 more. Or you want to do another one?
Need to do yellow.
You're right, well spotted. We still need a yellow. Did we do orange? We didn't do orange. Where did the orange ones go? Oh, I've got the orange ones, yeah. So we need to do yellow and we need to do orange. Which one do you want to do first?
Yellow.
Yellow, okay, let's do the yellow ones. We're bringing down some yellow. You do, you've done a great job. And then there's a special surprise after the yellow and orange ones. So let's get some glue in there. For the, oh, we're doing yellow. Okay, right, yellow can go over there.
Yellow.
Yes. So you can choose where you want to stick it.
Wave.
It's a little wiggly wave, yay! And you can have some yellow as well. Let's put some glue down for you.
Wave.
A little wiggly wave, yay!
I'll take all of it. Yellows.
Leave some for your sister.
But
There you go. Remember, you stick it down and you leave it there.
I got all of them.
There's a few left there, thank goodness.
Not on mine.
Yes, not on yours.
Not. There's no more.
Yes, there's no more.
I got all of them.
Yes, you're doing a great job of sticking all the pom-poms on. It'll be a very pom-pom rainbow. Ah!
Can we have another one?
Yes, so what colour did you say you have? We're still missing? Are we missing orange?
Yeah.
Yes, let's get some orange ones down then.
No.
We've just got a few orange ones, so we've got to look after these ones very, very nicely. Who's ready for some orange? Orange! Look, that's orange. Yes, so let's put those over here. And let's put some glue on your paper. Yeah, I'm going to put some glue on your paper. Yeah, some orange.
More. I could have those.
Yeah, so you can find the spots with the glue.
There's no more.
Oh, all the orange are finished. Oh, there's one here, so you can do. You're sitting on one.
Oh.
Yeah, you're sitting on one.
There's no more greens. I can.
A regular worm, yay!
One more.
Mm-hmm.
I need some more glue.
Yeah, that's a wriggly worm. Where did the orange go? Can you stick some pom-poms onto it?
More beads. This
Yay, pom-poms.
one. This one.
And just leave them there. Yeah, stick and leave, and then yeah, that's it. And that will stick it onto there because the glue is very sticky. So the glue will do the rest of the job for you.
I can't put on my pom-pom.
That is some fantastic pom-pomming right there.
I can't put my one.
I think you might have run out of pom-pom space. I think maybe that's what's happened. But lucky for you, there's something else that's got to go onto our rainbow. And someone's collecting them up again. You've got to leave them there. Yeah, you've got to leave them there. Oh, she's tidied up all the pom-poms. Oh, well, at least it started off right. Right, so the last thing that we have, remember what Mummy got upstairs?
Yeah.
And you took to the kitchen. What was it? Do you remember? In the packet, it's cotton wool. Yay! Can you get Mummy some cotton wool, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, somebody tidies up the pom-poms. So now we've got something very fun because our rainbows are peeking through the clouds. So they're just showing over the top of the clouds. And we have got some wonderful cotton wool that's going to make some lovely fluffy clouds.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put some glue and you can stick it on at the bottom of your rainbow. So here we go. You ready? Stick your clouds at the bottom of your rainbow. And you see what she's doing? So you can also stick your clouds at the bottom of your rainbow. You need the glue because you need the glue first, sweetie, so you stick it onto the glue. We're still learning how glue works. Alright, so Mummy puts the glue down and then you stick the rainbow, the clouds, onto the glue. Right, okay, go for it. Go on.
Cloud.
Yes, you stick the clouds onto the glue. Like that.
It's like a family.
Well done, what a good job you're doing. Yay!
Wiggly worm.
Wiggly worm. Wow. Right, girls, that's wonderful making rainbows today. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yay!
Bye-bye,
Say bye to our friends.
Bye-bye, friends. No.
We'll see you
Bye-bye,
later.
friends. No.
And they'll come back next time and do some more science experiments, more arts and crafts, more drawing with you guys. Yeah?
Now we will say
Bye-bye.